everyone, I'm Ankita Maurya, and if you don't know me, I'm a food blogger. So right now I'm in Thane, nearby Thane station, and I knew this place for very long. For very long, but I did not record. So today I am going to take you in DK Dabeli, and the special thing he will going to tell you what is special in his Dabeli. So let's come with me, and he is the owner of the shop. So let's talk with him.
हाय
सर मैं अंकिता मौर्य, मैं फूड ब्लॉगिंग करती हूँ. तो मुझे जानना था कि आपके दाबेली में what is very special, like वो viewers can come and have a delicious dabeli in your shop.
First of all, let me introduce myself DK, and I'm the owner of this shop. My father started this before 30 years ago,
Okay.
and now I'm running this business. और स्पेशल इसमें ऐसा है कि आप बाकी अदर दाबेली से अगर आप कंपेयर करेंगे तो स्पाइसेस में बहुत सारा हम लोग अलग मसाले यूज़ करते हैं जो हमारे खुद के बनाए हुए हैं. हम खुद ही उसको मसाला पिसवा वगैरह करते, रेडीमेड नहीं लेते. मोस्टली सब लोग दाबेली का रेडीमेड मसाला ले लेते हैं और बनाते हैं, तो उस हिसाब से.
I mean, you want to tell? ये बहुत प्योर है, right?
ये ऑथेंटिकेट जो एक्चुअल दाबेली का टेस्ट रहता है, you can find here.
There is no any color.
No,
any
there is nothing.
no chemical.
Nothing.
And so, what is the time of open to your shop? What is the
Morning
time?
11:30 to evening 9:30.
And is it available on Swiggy, Zomato?
Yes. We will do matter for that.
Okay. So guys, and while you are waiting, do must visit to our DK Dabeli, and it's very famous. I'm going to show you a lot of people are, gathered there. So let's come with me. So as you have seen, he has introduced his shop. So I'm gonna tell how many people do come there every day, and they visit. I think I would say 30 or 40 people are every time whenever I just visit from this place actually. So and right now also I can see people have gathered there near that counter. So I'm gonna show you what is very special in his dabeli and how he done the preparation, like how he gives it to people. So let's come with it. So guys, he tried me a very spicy dabeli, I would say, and I'm gonna try, and I'm trying DK dabeli for the very first time. So the quantity is huge actually, and the pav is very crunchy, and I think it's loaded with shave, shingdana, onion, according to your demand, what you want. Okay, more. And this dabeli they have fried in Amul butter. So Amul butter, who does not like? So let's gonna have one bite. As he said to me, like if you haven't tried a dabeli in his shop, so definitely you will going to like, and exactly the word goes, it's magic. Actually, whatever he said, it was right. I tried, one bite, and the taste is really very delicious. Like I couldn't control my mouth to try another bite. It's yum. So if you're trying to good dabeli, from nowhere you will get, because everywhere the quantity and the quality is not that much of good, but here you have to pay a higher price for one dabeli, and the quality you will, the great dabeli you will get. And I can see whenever I visit from this place, every time the crowd is there, the rush is there, and I thought why not I should record this video, record this shop, and this is definitely goes 10 out of 10, and I'm gonna rate this dabeli 10 out of 10. And if you like my video, then like, share, subscribe, and share with your friends, and do support me. And till then, I will search new food shop for you guys. You can, where you can enjoy. So till then, take care and bye everyone. Keep supporting me.